Good morning. I woke up and wanted to catch a sunrise, so I'm super excited to take the Mountain to Sea Trail up to the Devil's Courthouse. And the map says it's 666 feet in elevation. So here we go. Let's see what we have here. MST, baby. Oh, I love it already. Hi. Well, I'm roughly 333 feet into this trail, and I found a big rock. I thought I'd climb up it. Boy, am I glad I did. So it's a really sweet trail, nice gradual climb. Poles and waterproof shoes are highly recommended. I've done a pretty good job of not having my feet soaking wet right now. So I'm happy about that. Didn't wear waterproof shoes, but that's okay. I can tell somebody's been through here very recently, like yesterday, with a weed whacker to clear the trail. Thank you very much. Wore long pants, but didn't really need them right now. I can see this could probably get overgrown pretty quick, but it's beautiful right now. It's got roots, it's got ferns, it's got all the things, checks all the boxes on the way up. It's just lovely, lovely little trail. I love it when I'm deep into a trail and you come across just like a cute little bridge. Listen to the water. The waterfall. Look at that. Thank you, bridge maker. Well, this is exciting. I just crossed that bridge right over here. Now I'm getting the sign. The Mountain to Sea Trail goes back that way. But I'm gonna make a right here. I think this heads up to cross the parkway. And then we're gonna go catch a sunrise from the Devil's Courthouse. Real quick, I just wanted to capture the look on your face when you step deep into a mud puddle and you get your shoe wet and you get squishy toes. This is what your face looks like until it warms up. Okay, we hit the Blue Ridge Parkway for a sunrise 2 mornings ago. Mother Nature had other plans today. The situation's different. Welcome to Devil's Courthouse. Holy whoa. "666 feet. I am so happy about that. Took an hour to get up here. 2.2 miles. Super, super cute trail. Super happy about this amazing sunrise at the Devil's Courthouse. Elevation 5,720 feet. So I got up to the top of that thing and I looked down and saw the Blue Ridge Parkway. I was like, oh yeah, I crossed the Blue Ridge Parkway at some point, but I didn't cross the Blue Ridge Parkway. Well, look, I'm standing over it right now. So this trail goes over a tunnel that the Blue Ridge Parkway goes under, which is super exciting because this trail has it all. We got some high-rise mushrooms right here. Look at the size of that thing. Jeez, majestic. Evergreen trees. You have beautiful epic quartz rocks. I'm trying to poke its head out. Look at these ferns along this fallen tree. It's a really lovely trail. It's got moss on trees, ferns, rhododendrons. It's got lichens growing on things, roots. Definitely my new favorite trail. Look at this. Okay, well, I'm back on that rock or that crag that I found halfway up vertically, 333 feet. Could not be happier. Look at all this squishy stuff right here, and there's lichens and moss and flowers blooming. It's a great trail. High altitude. Here we are at the end of August. I wore a sweater vest. I used it. Probably, halfway up, took it off, had to use it when I got up top, and been wearing it the whole way down. Time to put gloves in the bag. So it was chilly. It felt really, really good walking up here. So again, highly recommended. You take one of the back roads up, kind of on the backside of Pisgah. Came in from the west side. And now I'm going to try to catch a couple of waterfalls on the way back home. I heard them coming up on the road, and I looked on all trails. It looks like there's a couple spots, so we're going to see what we can find. Oh, I forgot about this magical creek on the way up and this great little bridge. Whoops. So the trail goes along here for a ways. It's super sweet. Just hearing the sound change. Well, I could not be happier with that sunrise. 4.5 miles, 732 feet total. By the way, I put a link to this trail or even my hike down in the description below, so you can check out all of this stuff. 2 hours and 48 minutes, plenty of time to screw around, catch the sunset. Planet Creek, highly recommended. So I took Lake Logan Road to get up here, and I heard, it was dark, and I heard several waterfalls on the way up. So I found a few trails on the way back down. You can see there was a big creek here. Looks like that some washout, maybe even a landslide from Helena. So there's a little trail wandering up here. Let's see what we can get. All right, so there's the creek. You can see it's totally gutted. You know, you can see all those rocks exposed. Look, there's a landslide right here. Lots of downed trees. I can hear something up here, though. Ooh. What's that? Oh, I can see something. Ugh. Nice big fat spider web to the face. Wow, look at this. Good morning. Little Bird Falls is the name of this place. Isn't that sweet? A little bird. Look at you. Wow, look at all that moss on the rocks. Very cool. Good morning. So here we are, you know, a 5-minute hike off the side of the road, Logan Road. And look at this, it's free. Like, anybody can come here. So, y'all saw all that water, right? Like, it just kind of disappears. And then it picks up. You can hear it on the other side of the road here. There's a big culvert pipe right here. But there's no water. So the water kind of disappears. And it pops out over there. Interesting. Okay, here's another spot on Lake Logan Road, Trail 97. It's at the intersection of a couple of creeks that are coming down. So I'm going to walk up here a little bit. Well, I have had just the best morning. I hope you have enjoyed some of the scenery. This road is full of adventure. So Lake Logan Road, 215 is the number. Just to recap, I went up to Devil's Courthouse, caught a beautiful sunrise. Fun hike, checked all the boxes. Nice tight trail, not too touchy. Nice climbs, beautiful, beautiful sections of evergreens. Just stunning. And so on the way back, I'm hitting a couple of spots on the way out of Lake Logan Road. I'll leave a link to each of these spots here, but this place where I'm now, it's the Green Knob Trail from Sunburst. That's the name of the trail head. There are camping spots here. You can hike along the creeks. They're still nice and kind of gutted out. From Helena, you can do boulder hopping. Really, you can come here, stay the night, and spend all day kind of going up and down this road, pulling off on certain spots. There's a river or a creek that runs from the very top of the mountain all the way down. So there's cars left and right pulling off, checking out all the secret spots that you won't find, you know, on an app somewhere. So it's Monday, and I've got some things to do. It's about 10:30, so I'm going to head back. I'm definitely coming back to here. So, bye-bye.